Hello guys, let's start our next question. This is from linear differentiation. Let me share you some important tips from this exercise. Here we have to do is first we have to change it to auxiliary form as it is in previous exercise, and we have to solve it, or we have to find the required solution, what it is. And there sometimes it is given in place of x square. It may be given x plus 1 or 2x plus 1 square first always a square. If it is given, then what we do, let's start our tutorial. What is it? That means remember this x plus 1, it in we write it as rho square minus rho plus 1 or any constant we write it. What is it? What is all this around? Let's discuss. When we do this, when we integrate this, when we differentiate it, then what we get here? When we differentiate it to the levels and levels, and then we get 1, only 1, because there is no 1. So differentiating this again and again till the end, we get it 1, and here is only x. So this also end up as this is, but here look, it is 2x plus 1. What is the difference? Here is 2, and here is a square. 2 square, 1 square was there, which ended up like this, and 2 of square. That means first we differentiate. It gets 2 upon 2x plus 1. Again, when we differentiate, we get minus 4 upon 2x plus 1 whole square. So what do we get here? We get it as minus 4. So we can write it directly. First we have to put this x is equal to, this is like rule, and log x is equal to z. Log x is equal to z 1 over y. What do we do? Here we do this and this. Now this 4. Also we must know d square y by dx square is equal to x square is equal to y square minus rho, and dy by dx is equal to rho. So what we can write now? Here is this, we get here nothing 1. So rho square minus rho, here is plus rho minus constant is minus 4 bracket of y is equal to x is replaced by equal power z. Equal power, there is 2, so 2z. Hope you understood all about this, and only these two are the questions type to be asked, so be careful with those. Now what we do, it is in the same as before. Here it was d, now it is rho. We can find auxiliary form or auxiliary solution, which is general solution. M square minus m, this and this is cancelled, so m square minus 4. Sometimes it may not be cancelled. We may have done in the other tutorial. If you want, then you can watch from my channel. My channels is equal to 0. That is m square is equal to 4. M is equal to plus minus 2. So we can write CF is equal to e to the power of 2x c1 plus c2 e to the power of minus 2x. We have found out CF. Now we have to find IF. CF plus, that is CF plus IF, what we require. Solution: IF is 1 upon FD of Q. What is Q here? This is Q, or this is our Q. 1 upon FD is changed into our F row, in previous FD, here F row. So D square minus 4 and e to the power of 2x is there. So we write it as it is e to the power 2z is equal to, what is there now for us? 1 upon, if we put here 2, then it will be 0, since fd is equal to 0. So we differentiate it to d e to the power 2z, and we put the value e to the power of 2z upon e to the 0, that is 4. This is our IF. Hence the required solution. The required solution is CF plus IF is equal to C1 e to the power minus 2x plus C2 e to the power 2x plus 1 upon 4 e to the power 2z. This is our answer. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.